There is something that moves our world every single day. It's behind a pack of candies, bringing a smile to a child. It's in the dentist's chair, adjusting silently for precise human care. It's in the air of a ventilator, where motion becomes trust. It's in the tractor crossing the field, and in the farmer's hands at harvest. It's what keeps production running, reliable, unstoppable. It's there when precision and safety makes all the difference. Technology, shaping motion with purpose. So machines perform, industry grows, life moves forward. This is how we create value for our industrial partners and distributors, for society, and for the moments that matter most. We call it motion for life. We call it Camozzi automation.